Nabagay din sa ulo ko. Nabagay siya guys, oh, ang ganda. Bagay siya. Thank you, sis Cathy and brother Mike. Sige, bagay siya sa hair. Thank you. Unboxing tayo ng Christmas gift at New Year's gift guys. From Valdez family, Mike and Cathy. Ate Rose, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Pray for more favor and blessed 2023. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Valdez family, Mike and Cathy. Unboxing na natin guys. Unboxing. Sirain na lang natin to. Yan. Wow. Oh. Headband pala to guys. Yan. Wow, ang ganda naman ng kulay. Thank you, Sister Cathy and Brother Mike for the gift. The Christmas gift. Birthday, New Year gift din. Thank you. Nice. I like it. Ito na guys, ang Christmas gift. Happy New Year's gift nila ni Sister Cathy and Brother Mike. Try na natin. Yan. Nabagay din sa ulo ko. Nabagay siya guys. Oh, ang ganda. Bagay siya. Thank you, sis Cathy and brother Mike. Sige, bagay siya sa hair. Thank you. This is my New Year's handa. Yan, spaghetti, chicken, adobo, with chocolate, Ferrero chocolate. Full of Ferrero chocolate today, this year. Happy New Year 2023. Handa. Konting handa, simple handa. Tapaw to kay Valdez family. Yes. Ferrero year. Daming Ferrero chocolate. Happy New Year. Ronin and Rico. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes. Yay! Rico got shirt. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Rico got shirt.
I already have a lot of shirts. I needed pants.
Ang regalo ni Sister Shella at ni Brother Ernie. Yan yung Christmas gift niya sa akin. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Mag-unboxing na tayo guys. Yung regalo, gift, Christmas gift nila ni Christmas and New Year's gift nila ni Sis Shella at ni Brother Ernie. I like it. Thank you Sis Shella at ni Brother Ernie sa Christmas gift. Yan, may rose pa. May unboxing. Yes, the Christmas gift. Wow,
It's
nice. Well, bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. Wow, so cute. Yeah. So cute. Yes, thank you. Yes. Ganda naman ang bag. Ang ganda ng bag. So nice the bag. Nice. So nice. Thank you. Yeah. Ang regalo ni Sister Shella at Bro Ernie. Yes, thank you Sis Shella. I like it. I love it. Ang ganda guys. May name ko pa dyan. Ayan, ang ganda. Thank you. Ganda. Kain natin yung wasabi. Wasabi sauce with light soy sauce. This one is what? Sushi soy sauce with wasabi. Yes. Try natin guys. I'll try the sushi with wasabi. Just try it guys. Maybe it's like go to the nose. I think one bunch of the. You try already? Just now? But how come
I won't eat it like that.
Just now nga. They have what? Sushi sauce and sushi. I don't want put sauce with wasabi. Like this. Yeah, try.
The smell not strong.
Smell not strong. You think?
Not as strong, I think.
But how come na go into my nose?
I've eaten stronger one. The one really little bit of the very strong.
Yeah?
I only dare to put a little bit. This one not much. This one I can eat like that.
But this one is really not like go like that, but just a bit only.
Not concentrated.
Our soup.
Strong one you cannot eat like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cannot eat them. For me, it's strong. Not really like very strong. The a little bit, the one only in the restaurant, little bit. This one what?
Yeah.
The nose already can
That one nice.
like burst already.
I like it.
Maano pala yun ng wasabi. Bit strong. Japanese one. It's like bean curd, eh? Seafood. This one, boy, is what, something like bean curd like that. Egg, Steamed egg, Steamed egg, yun. Japanese usura.
Yeah.
No, steamed egg. Nice steamed egg. Kain tayo orange. Orange. Dessert orange. Tamis kaya to? Mandarin orange. Mandarin orange.
Uh-oh, he's angry.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's gonna inject him.
Orange.
Ooh.
Mandarin orange. Tamis. Tamis siya. May orange kasi
Girl, that's a big
sa ano yung mukha mo pag kumakain ka kasi yung iba kasi maasim. Ito matamis siya. Rada orange.